How to create or open Australian Super account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create or open Australian Super account. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to AustralianSuper.com. Once you get on this website, click on the join option and select Super from this drop-down menu. Now, here, in order to get started, you want to enter your email address, then check this box. After you have done that, click on the Get Started option. Now you will have to enter some details, so go ahead and enter your first name, last name, date of birth, select your gender, then click on the Continue option. Here you want to fill up your address. Once that is done, click on the Continue option. Now enter your mobile number. Scroll down and then you want to click on the Continue option after that. Here you need to enter your tax file number, but that is optional. Click on the Continue option. Now select yes or no for if your employer will be contributing to your super. If it is yes, fill up these details. If it is no, fill up your occupation. Then you want to click on the Continue option. Now check this box if you read and understood the product disclosure statement and click on Continue. Now click on Continue after going through all of this. If you would like to nominate a beneficiary, select yes, otherwise select no. Then go through all of this and click on the Continue option. Here, check this box, then click on the Continue option. Now you will have to review all the information that you have entered. If all of this is correct, you want to click on the Submit option. Once you do that, here as you can see, your Australian Super account has been successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.